According to the encyclopedia, bulls chew hay and bears eat berries, but my dad is built differently. He says that they eat only money. Well, it's not false though. The best example will be Cathie Wood's firm that piled up millions of dollars worth of Tesla stock in 2021. Cathie Wood sold more than 30,000 shares of Tesla in recent months. Even so, the EV maker stays the biggest bet in 3 of the firm's funds. Well, do you want to know more about how all this happened, even when people were saying that Tesla is forming a bubble in the market? In today's video, we will discuss this topic fully, so stay tuned in the video. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or related to the multi-talented, influential tech icon and billionaire, Elon Musk. That being said, let's begin. Infamous stock picker Cathie Wood, the CEO of investment firm Ark Invest, emptied a massive stake in Tesla last month, tossing out more than $600 million in shares to instead splurge on recently struggling stocks like Coinbase and Robinhood, doubling down on her staunchly bullish posture on disruptive tech despite rising uneasiness around the strategy on Wall Street. Cathie Wood's Ark Invest peddled Tesla stock and stacked on virtual health company Teladoc a few weeks back, according to a daily trade notification. Ark Invest's ETFs didn't have a good year in 2021, mainly after taking a hammering in December. Woods' prospect for a 20% gain in her flagship fund haven't exactly ended up in 2021, with the disruptive innovation ETF down more than 20%, putting it on trial for its worst year of performance since launching in 2014. But now the change in this year is expected in large part to the success of many tech names that Woods' firm invests in, as central banks signaled their intent to reduce stimulus in response to soaring inflation. Moreover, tension over the impact of the Omicron variant has also been weighing on the market. But in the new year, Ark Invest ETFs have loaded up on shares of virtual health company Teladoc, which has fallen over 56% in 12 months. On January 3rd, the firm acquired nearly 80,000 shares of the company, a newsletter showed. Business Insider previously reported that Ark's wager on Teladoc, along with Zoom Video, will hit the firm's 2022 performance the most. In a December blog post, Wood said that the tech stocks in Ark's portfolio, like Teladoc, are in deep value territory. So far in 2022, Ark also brought up shares of Palantir, the analytics company founded by Peter Thiel and beloved by retail traders. In total, Ark purchased 442,000 shares, worth about $8.2 million. Increasingly, Wood's technique, which Ark says focuses on disruptive innovation, has garnered concern on Wall Street. A few months back, the firm's $25 billion flagship fund, the Ark Innovation ETF, appeared poised for its worst quarterly outflows ever, with investors cashing out some $2 billion over the past 3 months, according to a Bloomberg analysis. Meanwhile, Scion Asset Management, the hedge fund bossed by investor Michael Burry, who famously predicted the housing market crash in 2007, disclosed in December 2021 that it wields bearish put options, which are parked when investors believe an asset's value will fall on $30 million worth of Ark shares. In the past, it was also foretold that Tesla stock was forming up a bubble that would sometimes crash the stock market. The investor of The Big Short fame, Michael Burry, said last year that Musk has taken out personal loans against his stock. He implied the Tesla CEO might be trading shares to service those debts. It was also told that the economic threats of a stock bubble come from people taking on debt to buy shares and from companies overinvesting. When the bubble bangs, overstepped shareholders have to cut spending or go bankrupt. Firms are unexpectedly faced with investors stressing a return, having to lay off workers and slash investment. But Musk didn't let any of this happen, as he felt that what he was doing was right and required at that time. Now the Tesla stock is shooting up and is foreseen to explode even more this year. Yet everyone laughed and called me a dupe, but I have spent these past years watching the the Tesla stock go up, and I knew that everything would be alright in no time. Cathie Wood also made millions of dollars in Tesla shares recently and has predicted that Tesla shares could hit $3,000 each by 2025. In the past 12 months, the stock has soared to about 57%, and the Tesla stock is now arising to meet a $3,000 mark soon. What I like about this period is many people are saying those stocks were in a bubble and they deserve to be corrected. That tells me we are nowhere near a bubble, the Ark Invest founder and CEO told CNBC in a recent interview. Several other analysts concede with the popular investor's 5-year target, pointing out Tesla's market lead and vowing growth will remain likely unimpaired by a sea of rivals rushing to overthrow it. They have a lot of things working in their favor and no real competitors, says Noah Hammond, CEO of ETF Investor Advisor Shares, which recently bought $1.8 million of Tesla equity. In 5 years, Tesla will have significant subscription services similar to Netflix or Disney+, in addition to the Starlink launch, autonomous driving, and even insurance products, Hammond says. This will put them far ahead of everyone else. Tesla's wave to reinforce its infotainment services, which recently brought TikTok and the Sonic the Hedgehog game to its fold, coupled with the eventual rollout of Starlink satellite internet, will sharply improve futures margins, notes Hammond. This, on top of plans to significantly boost production and even launch a possible smartphone, should help propel the shares to $3,000 by 2026-27. Following the surge of Tesla sales last year, Cathie Wood said Ark likes to trade around a stock's volatility, taking benefit of low prices to buy and selling when she thinks prices could take a hit. When we feel like analysts are hyperventilating about a stock, including Tesla, we naturally just take profits because we know we're going to get another opportunity associated with controversy to buy the stock lower, Wood told CNBC. Despite her recent sales, Wood earlier this month said she believes Tesla's stock price could skyrocket nearly 300% by 2025. She added, "We have seen such a correction, primarily in innovation stocks, as the market scaled to all-time highs, that based on our estimates, our 5-year compound annual rate of return expectation has gone from 15% at the peak in March to nearly 40% today." Meanwhile, the smartphone manufacturer Apple is also toiling on its Apple Car EV by 2025, fueling speculation about how it will hit Tesla. The project envisages a fully autonomous, limousine-like vehicle with no steering wheel or pedals. A precursor could come next year, but the project has been hard to cultivate and caused several management departures since it launched 8 years ago. But analysts are not anxious about the Apple Car. Although Apple is great at lots of things and has created a great business around the iPhone and its watch can do the same with cars, well, at least I'm not sure of it. Think about the heightening struggles Tesla has experienced. Does Apple even want to go through that? They might be better off partnering with Tesla to find a way to add their tech to their vehicles. And according to Tesla's latest impact report, Tesla wants to make 20 million cars annually by 2030, over 20 times its 900,000 deliveries in 2021. Woods and other Super Bowl price predictions are overhyped, says Oanda analyst Ed Moya. They might soon be deterred since U.S. Senator Joe Manchin recently denied President Joe Biden's Build Back Better plan to stimulate green energy adoption, delaying or potentially killing the legislation, he adds. But still, even if no one does, I believe in Elon Musk and Tesla, and they will accomplish their goal of stunning production plans up to 2030. And Wood is also steady on Tesla stock, which is now at about $1,089 and will reach $3,000 in 2025. She figures that there is about a 50% chance of success for Tesla's autonomous driving efforts, which she says is the most important variable to get Tesla stock to her $3,000 target. Well, that's it for the day, guys. Let us know what you think about the Tesla stock. How high will it reach, and will it be able to achieve its goal? Write it down in the comments below. And most importantly, if you like this video, then hit the like button. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get a notification every time we make a new video about the latest trends in Tesla stocks. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.